So you can see my Swiffer in the corner. I vacuumed 1 day ago and I mopped 2 days ago. And this is what it picked up. Like, that's disgusting. Like, I vacuumed yesterday and mopped 2 days ago. Maybe 3 days ago I mopped, but... Well, if you live in a townhouse like me with carpet and wonder if just a normal vacuum would solve your problem, I would say that this one is the best option, because look at this. Just for cleaning the stairs, this area here. Look at that. Turn it on. Does this? Can't press anything. Water just pours out of it.